All right, everybody, how's it going? Hope your weekend went well. Today I'm just gonna do a simple twist into a ponytail style. Now I'm gonna elaborate and show you all how I do my twist. So I start with my first little piece, and then I do like a scissor to grab my next piece. Scissor, and I'll grab that piece on top. Next piece, twist the other one back, scissor, grab that piece on top, and twisting this one behind it. I bring it down to the hairline, scissor, get my little piece. And so if you feel like you're twisting it too tight, don't worry about that, because you're gonna pull it and it's gonna loosen. Take your little scissor, twist, scissor, twist. So you're just grabbing the hair with these two little fingers. This finger is going in and separating and grabbing that hair. This finger is grabbing that hair that you twisted around. So separating, grabbing. Separating, grabbing. Go and separate this one. See the hair right here is grabbing. And then you just come back and pull up, separate your little pieces, see? And when I get to the back, I have to come around here to twist. See a little nappy back there. And we're just gonna leave it in a ponytail. This is my little half Dorothy. If you notice, like Dorothy's hair on The Wizard of Oz, she doesn't have the full braid down. She has like a twist into a braid. Genius. I'll just pin some of these up a little bit better. Keep them back into there. So on this side, get our little hair, got our little scissors, twist, separate, twist, separate, pinch with that other finger, twist. And pull it back up to separate it, fluff it up. So you pull that little twist braid up. Alright, put our ponytail in. That's how we do our twist braid. You could do them a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, whatever you feel like doing for the day. That's it. That's how we do it. And you take your day by charge, right? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned a little more about how to scissor in, separate, hold the hair with this one, twist, twist. It's easy. You can do it. I know you can. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, press like, subscribe, tell your friends. We're going to keep this style in the hair going on. And hope to see you guys back here next time. Thank you.